For centuries, people have visited Fuglafjørður because of the magnificent scenery and warm local hospitality. Fuglafjørður boasts a rich cultural life with theater, concerts, conferences, and other social events held at the Culture House. The harbor is a focal point of town and offers a variety of businesses for both retail shopping and industrial needs. The surrounding area is perfect for outdoor activities. See ancient Viking ruins or hike the mountain path to Hallur, where you find tranquility few places on earth offer. In midsummer, the nation gathers to celebrate the summer solstice at the Varmakjelda Fuglafjørður Summer Festival. The Fuglafjørður Tourist Information Office can arrange tours and accommodations, make dinner reservations, and provide general information to ensure visitors have an unforgettable experience.